Factoring sum of cubes. Now, some of the students know about the formula of sum of cubes, but here what we'll do is that we will kind of derive it. So the question involves derivation of the formula first, and then we'll apply the formula to factor sum of cubes. First part of the question is multiply a plus b with a square minus ab plus b square. And the second part is use pattern to factor following sum of cubes, right? So let's do the first part, which is a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. What do we get? So let's multiply with a first, all these terms. So a times a square will give us a cube. Now minus a times ab is a square b. Then a times b square will be plus ab square. Now we'll multiply all these three terms with b. b times a square is b a square, which I can write as a square b. b times minus ab is minus ab square. And b times b square is cube, b cube. Now let's simplify. So we get a cube, and here we have some terms which could be cancelled. A square b with a negative sign and a square b with positive sign, right? So they can be cancelled out. Similarly, ab square and minus ab square, right? So this cancels out also. So what are we left with? We are left with a cube plus b cube. So that is sum of cubes. So in a way, sum of cubes can be factored using this formula. So what do we get here is that a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square is indeed equals to a cube plus b cube. Now we are going to utilize this formula to factor the three terms given to us, three polynomials, right? I'll show you one of them. Let me take C, part C for you, and you can try out A and B. Now part C is x cube plus 27, right? 27. Now 27 can be written as 3 cube. So we can write this as x cube plus 3 cube. Now a cube plus b cube is a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. So that is how we can factor. In this equation, if you compare, you can write x as equals to a and 3 as equals to b, right? And then factor it, applying the formula. So we get what? A cube plus b cube will be a plus b, that means x plus 3, right, times a square, which is x square, minus ab, which is these two products, which is 3x, right, 3x, plus b square, which means 3 square, and 3 square is 9. So we get that. So that is how you can factor your equation. And now we can write down x cube plus 27 as equal to x plus 3 times x square minus 3x plus 9. So that is how you can factor it. Well, to check, the best way is expand and verify. Do you get the same answer or not? Right? Adopt this strategy of factoring and factor x cube plus 8 and also x cube plus 1. Remember, 1 is 1 cube and 8 is 2 cube. That should help. Thank you and all the best.